Change, shake, woo, woo. Right, at it again, you understand what I'm saying? In the old 79, big body flatbed F350 dually. Just gotta keep up with it, you understand what I'm saying? It's a blessing to have it. You know, there's 3 pedals on that guy. 3 pedals on it. The F150 club car. That Mazda 6 and that Honda Accord. Probably gonna need some new sparks. Big bitch run good. All up, big boy. Big gangster. All up. Put a new shroud on it, but see, as far as that go, like my alternator sat down now. At first I thought I needed an alternator, but I ain't need no alternator. It run good though. It run good. It's cut off. Your butt, dang! Scoop, whoop. Yeah, baby. We got a little work to do to it. Interior work. Headliner. They got the 2-knob Bluetooth radio too.